Hello lovely audience, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Quick Guide. Into this video, I am going to show you how can you add friends from your contact into Facebook. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Firstly, you have to open your Facebook application, and after opening the Facebook application, click to the Friend tab here. From there, you can see all the friend suggestions from your contact if you uploaded your contact into Facebook. But if you haven't uploaded your contacts yet, just simply open your settings app and then go to app settings. And from there, choose the permission settings and go to contacts into here. Then after going to contacts, you can see if your Facebook have the permission to use the contacts or not. You just simply have to open this toggle for permission to use contacts for Facebook. Just simply open that, and now you can find the contacts that you saved into your Facebook and add them into your friend list. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.